Hey guys, it's Julia and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a moss pole. Anyway.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
So, first thing you're going to need is a bamboo stick. This is from the dollar store. It was $2. You're not going to need to worry about rot or anything because you're going to be repotting your monstera or any other aroid or vining plant before this will rot down. So moving on, you're going to need this bamboo stick. I have thinner bamboo shoots you can use as well. House of Monstera gave me a wonderful idea that you can bunch a few of them up together and then you can create a thicker situation. So if you already have these at home and you want a thicker moss pole, just go ahead and tie that up first. But I am going to use this one right here because I think it's just going to be the best length without having to cut it down for my monstera. So next thing you're going to need is sphagnum moss, and you do not need this much, but I paid $40 for pretty much a lifetime supply of sphagnum moss at Bob's Grow Mart, so check them out. And yeah, sphagnum moss. And finally, you're gonna need some fishing line. All right, that's it, guys. 3 ingredients, oh, and water and scissors. But that's it. And there's a moth in my house and I gotta get it soon. So, I actually gotta get some scissors. All right, so I have myself a little vessel here for my sphagnum, and I have a random bottle of water that I'm going to use. And like, I'm just so not prepared for this because like I just came home and saw my plant was just helplessly laying there. It just needed some attention. So here I am. Who knows what freaking time it is? It's like probably 11 o'clock, and I'm saturating sphagnum moss. Not only for you guys, but for my monstera. Most importantly, for my monstera. I mean, I'm just saying that because she's right there on camera. Alright, so, guys, you don't need much. Yeah, sphagnum. Okay, this is how much dried moss there is in here. Literally a handful. Okay, it's a great idea. If you guys have bottles of water lying around the house and you don't know whose it is, pour it in your plants, reuse it rather than pouring it down the drain. So this is just like oatmeal. Just add it a little bit at a time, and you'll figure out how much water you need as you go. So you guys have probably heard me say this before about like me rehydrating my cocoa fiber, but I love the smell of the sphagnum moss here. It smells so medicinal, just like clean. Clean is what it smells like, not medicinal. I mean, clean is medicinal. Sphagnum moss is a very water retentive substrate. You don't want to really be mixing this into your soil mix unless you want to retain a lot of water. I've made that mistake before, and I'm not ready to make it again. What do you guys like to plant, guys? What's your favorite plant? What's your favorite soil? What's your favorite thing to listen to while you're maintaining your plants, caring for your plants? Or do you listen to nothing and just listen to your plants? What do? Talk to me. Ooh. So now all I'm going to do is just wrap the moss around the pole and secure it with the fishing line. And I'm going to tell you right now, I don't have a science, a technique, or anything like that laid out just yet because we are doing this together for the very first time. Isn't that just lovely? Alright, so let's do this. How do I want to tie this rope? I'm not tying it just yet. I'm just giving her a good old twisteroo, and now I'm going to tie it. So I'm just crisscrossing here. Any loose bits I'm just tying down with the fishing line. And I have my top done. I tried a thing and it didn't work. Back to what I was doing. Next time on how to make a moss pole. Windows D that shit. Something smells smoky. I made a moss pole!